What's the meaning of anti-Semitism? Anti-Semitism. 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 Anti-Semitism.
Anti-Semitism is a term used to describe prejudice, discrimination, or hostility towards Jewish people. This form of bigotry is often rooted in historical, social, or religious factors and can manifest in different ways, such as verbal abuse, physical violence, or exclusion from certain organizations or opportunities. The consequences of anti-Semitism can be devastating for individuals and communities, leading to feelings of fear, insecurity, and marginalization. It also poses a threat to social cohesion and undermines the values of tolerance, diversity, and respect for human dignity.